We need an ice cream
use those
scoop.
muscles.
Don't worry.
When's the last time you did like a bench press or something?
I lifted a bench last week, actually. I moved a bench around. Last time I checked,
come on.
You don't need to have weights and do deadlifts or
you're just being
barbell
sensitive.
things.
You're very strong.
Plus, the ice cream was very frozen, by the way.
Welcome back to Vince's at Home. Today we're going to be making a really easy summer recipe. Spring, summer, I guess, because rhubarb comes up in the spring. So this is actually from my parents' backyard. We're going to just stew it. It's this easy. It's going to take us about 15 minutes. All you need is sugar, rhubarb, and water. If you wanted to add like some lemon zest or orange zest, you could. You can serve it on its own or on top of vanilla ice cream, which is my favorite. If you wanted to have it healthier for like a meal, for breakfast or lunch, you could put it on top of like a vanilla Greek yogurt. So let's get into it. I'm gonna put it on like medium heat. That's the back burner. So I'll put it on medium heat on the correct burner. Yep, we're good. All you need is 2 tablespoons of water. At least that's what Jamie Oliver says in his recipe. But if we need to add some, we will. Oh, don't film this. Disaster zone. I pretend like I make this all the time. Really, my family makes it. My grandma used to make it the best. I'm pretty sure this is going to release a lot of water, and that's why you don't need a lot of water, but maybe Derek can fact check that. I'd say about a cup of sugar, but the thing about rhubarb is it's very tart. If you like it tart, add less sugar. If you want it sweet, obviously add more. So we're gonna make sure it's all coated. My mom would like not like how much sugar I put in probably, but my dad and I love it like that. You're gonna let it boil and then simmer. So even if you added too much liquid, or if you wanted to, like I said, zest a lemon or an orange, it's gonna evaporate, become like a stew. Stew it up. It's funny how like rhubarb changes. It gets very, like the string, it all comes apart, like a cheese string. It must release a lot of water, because I don't think I put that much in. Yeah. Okay, we're cooking with gas here. You see what I mean? The strings, do you see? And you smell like how tart it is? I feel like you can smell, yeah. It's like sour. I'm sure rhubarb has some great health benefits. Okay, I'm just gonna try it, see if it's sweet enough. Oh my God, it's perfect. Wow, okay, this is good. That was easy. There you have it, stewed rhubarb. And I'm gonna go yell at Giancarlo to come eat it with me and get some ice cream.
What did I miss?
In about 10 minutes, I stewed this rhubarb from my garden.
You grew this? Wow! I'm so impressed, Mallory.
That's my mom's.
That was a really good high five. Can I use this for a second?
Yeah.
Oh,
wow.
Oh, this is not what I was expecting. Oh, I didn't realize it was gonna be like kind of stringy.
Okay, so rhubarb just naturally breaks apart as you're cooking it. Now we're just using it as a topping.
So
my parents just eat it as is. My dad and I put too much sugar and my mom puts a little less because rhubarb is tart, not sweet. It's kind of sour.
Sewer, hold on.
Sewer? Okay, so now I'm putting the rhubarb on.
And you're putting it on hot.
It's dripping. Do you like
So you
it?
just eat this?
I grew up on this.
You did?
Yeah,
This is a Canadian thing? This is really good.
I know. Like, really good. I really crushed it.
This would be so good with like, No, this is good, just like this.
Yeah.
Look how good you did when I went away for like 10 minutes.
You should go way more up. Kidding.
Wrap up the video.
Thanks for watching my channel. Pretend you're a good chef like me and do something this easy.